Okay. Sir, do you have somebody in mind to replace PhilHealth President Ledesma?
Wala naman akong maisip pa rin ngayon, but siguro talagang dapat to may actuarial knowledge, no, kasi insurance to. But more than the finance side, knowledge of finance, actuarial, again, dapat meron ding for health no? Kasi public service ito So, hindi lang lahat numbers, hindi lang lahat profit, kailangan meron ding side niya for dapat makover ang ating mga kababayan, no? Dapat yun yung maging priority nila. Mas proud kayo dapat na na-servisyon lahat na yung out-of-pocket expense, kung 45% ngayon, kung maibaba natin ng 30% pa yan, doon natin masasabi na successful tayo.
Sir, nagpo-float yung name of a certain Albert Domingo. Do you know him, sir?
Yusek Domingo of Department of Health. He used to be